What if the most potent vitamin for a longer life isn't in a bottle, but on your bedside clock? Tonight, I want to show you a bedtime that doesn't steal your freedom or fun. It gives it back. Imagine waking with a clearer mind, steadier blood pressure, a calmer mood, and more strength in your legs, because your body has finally received the kind of rest it knows how to utilize. Picture getting out of bed without that heavy fog, enjoying your morning walk, and feeling more like yourself again. Stay with me. By the end, you'll know your ideal bedtime, a gentle routine to make it stick, plus a proven plan for those tricky nights when stress, pain, or travel try to pull you off track. 1. Find your personal sleep window. Your body has a natural sleep window, a 60 to 90-minute period when drifting off is easiest. For many people over 60, this is between 9:30 p.m. and 11 p.m., but your exact time is personal. Story: Tom in Ohio aimed for midnight because he wasn't tired earlier. For 1 week, he tracked subtle signals. Heavier eyelids during the 10 o'clock news, a longer exhale as he turned off the kitchen light, a soft yawn during the weather report. His true window was 10:10 to 10:40 p.m., honoring it shrank his time to sleep from 45 minutes to 15 and have his 3 a.m. wake-ups. How to find yours? For 7 nights, write down the first wave of sleepiness. Softer eyes, slower breath, slight chill, shoulder drop. That's your green light. Set bedtime near that signal every night. If you miss it, you may catch a second wind and lie awake. Quick calibration. Fall asleep in less than 10 minutes and wake groggy? Bedtime might be a bit too late. Consider moving it 15 minutes earlier. Toss greater than 30 minutes? Shift 15 to 20 minutes later for 3 nights. Gentle guardrails. Keep naps brief, 20 to 30 minutes before 3 p.m. Long or late naps push the window away. 2. Consistency beats perfection. Regular bed and wake times teach your brain and body to keep a steady beat. Hormones, temperature, and heart rhythm fall into sync. Story: Margaret in Yorkshire loved Friday films. Staying up until 1 a.m. left her jet-lagged until Tuesday. We didn't cancel the fun, we softened it. She let weekends drift only 30 to 45 minutes later than weekdays. Within 2 weeks, Mondays felt normal and her mood had steadied. Your 80% rule. Choose a bedtime and wake time that you can stick to most days. Life happens. Family dinners, concerts, grandkids. When you run late, protect your wake time by taking a 20-minute midday rest, not after 3 p.m., and return to your usual bedtime the next night. 2 anchors at work. Lights down, reminder 60 minutes before bed. Step outside, reminder within an hour of waking for natural light. These 2 cues alone keep your rhythm surprisingly stable, even when days get messy. 3. The 90-minute wind down step by step. Sleep starts before you're in bed, like landing a plane. Slow, smooth, predictable. Story: Nora in Melbourne tried to relax by scrolling under bright light. Her mind stayed busy. She switched to audio in dim light and added 1 step per week. Operation Gentle Evenings became her favorite part of the day. Your checklist: 90 minutes, dim lights, lower the evening's volume, swap bright screen for audio or paper. Let your brain hear, night is starting. 60 minutes, warm shower or bath to loosen muscles. As your body cools afterwards, it signals sleep. Lay out tomorrow's clothes. Remove little frictions. 45 minutes. Tidy 3 things, just 3. A calmer room tells your mind it's safe to relax and unwind. 30 minutes. Light snack only if needed: yogurt, a small banana with a spoon of nut butter, warm milk, or non-caffeinated tea. Avoid heavy, spicy, or sugary foods. 15 minutes. Gentle stretches in a chair, neck rolls, shoulder circles, calf stretches. Then breathe. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds for 2 to 3 minutes. Bedside. Write tomorrow's top 3 on a notepad. Close the loop so worries don't keep you up at 2 a.m. Turn your clock face away. 4. Evening food, drinks, and medicines. Timing matters. What happens after 6 p.m. can either protect or disturb deep sleep. Story: Ray in Florida enjoyed a late dinner and a nightcap. He fell asleep fast, then woke at 2 a.m. We moved dinner earlier. swapped a nightcap for herbal tea, and confirmed with his doctor a better time for a water pill. Within a week, he woke fewer times and felt brighter at breakfast. Guidelines you can use tonight. Meals. Finish your main meal greater than or equal to 3 hours before bed. Keep late snacks small and simple. Caffeine lingers 8 to 10 hours. Make noon your cutoff. Watch tea, cola, and chocolate. Alcohol. Feel sleepy at first, but fragments deep sleep. Choose alcohol-free nights or smaller servings earlier. Fluids. Front load in the day. Taper after dinner to reduce bathroom trips. Medicines. Never change timing without your clinician's advice. Ask, is there a bedtime-friendly schedule for me? Some blood pressure, pain, thyroid, or reflux medications work better and are safer at certain times. 5. Make your bedroom a health tool. Your room can either heal you or quietly wake you. Aim for calm, dark, quiet, and kind to your joints. Story. Aisha in London kept a thermostat high with thin bedding. She woke often and felt foggy. We cooled the room, added a cozy blanket at her feet, and hung blackout curtains. Her sleep deepened and morning headaches faded. Simple upgrades. Temperature. Slightly cool room. Breathable layers. A small fan or white noise machine softens traffic or neighbor sounds. Light. Blackout curtains or an eye mask. Use a low nightlight that points the floor for safe bathroom trips. Safety. Clear paths, secure rugs, tidy cords. Keep water and tissues within reach. Support. Pillow that keeps neck neutral. Mattress that supports hips and shoulders. Side sleepers. Place a thin pillow between your knees. Back sleepers. Place a small pillow under your knees. Tech boundary. Devices on do not disturb. Screens outside the bedroom, and a simple alarm clock to avoid midnight scrolling. 6. Solve common roadblocks with calm, practical step story. Bill and Sydney had reflux, 3 a.m. worry, and loud snoring. We raised his beds had a few inches, added a worry pad ritual, and encouraged a snoring assessment. Now he sleeps longer stretches and feels safer driving. Try these tonight. Reflux. Earlier supper. Avoid late chocolate, mint, or spice. Raise ahead of the bed. Ask your clinician about safe options. Bathroom trips. Taper fluids after dinner. Avoid bladder irritants at night. Cola, strong tea, citrus. Do a slow sit to stand before bed to empty fully. Snoring or breathing pauses. If a partner hears gasping or loud snoring, ask about a sleep study. Treatment can transform energy, mood, and heart health. Leg restlessness or cramps. Calf stretches, ankle circles, warm foot bath. Include magnesium-rich foods, beans, greens, nuts. Persistent symptoms? Discuss with your clinician. Pain? Layer gentle heat, light stretches, and your prescribed plan 30 to 60 minutes before bed, so relief is active as you lie down. Racing thoughts. Notepad bedside. Breathe 4/6 out. Imagine a safe, simple scene, waves or a country lane. Awake 20 minutes. Step out. Read something calming in dim light, and return when you're sleepy. Noise/light sensitivity. Earplugs or a steady background sound. I mask. Cover charging lights with small stickers. 7. Morning anchors that make nights easier paradoxically. Your best nights start after sunrise. Story. Dennis in Arizona began October 10th. 10 mornings. 10 minutes of daylight. 10 of gentle movement. 10 of calm planning. After 2 weeks, he felt naturally sleepy by 10:30 p.m. No forcing. Your anchors. Light. Step outside within an hour waking, even on cloudy days. Daylight resets your body clock and lifts your mood. Movement. A short walk, light chores, or easy stretches tells your brain, we're active by day, restful by night. Meals. Regular breakfast and lunch help your inner clock predict bedtime. Meaning. A chat, volunteer, shift, hobby, or short outing adds purpose of the day and ease at night. Gentle caffeine rule. Enjoy coffee or tea in the morning. Switch to non-caffeinated after midday. 8. The body clock triangle. Light movement. Meals think of your sleep as a triangle. Morning light, daytime movement, predictable meals. If one corner is weak, the triangle wobbles. Story. Helen in Boston skipped breakfast, stayed indoors, and sat most mornings. We added 5 minutes on the porch, a hallway lap every hour, and a simple breakfast, oats with berries. 2 weeks later, she felt drowsy by 10:15 without effort. Your checklist: light, outdoor light, or a bright window within 60 minutes of waking. Movement, little and often, stairs once, light gardening, a 10-minute walk. Meals, aim for consistent meal timing. Keep dinner earlier and lighter. 9. A simple weekly plan to lock it and change sticks better with small, kind steps and regular check-ins on Sundays. Week 1. Discover. Track your sleep window signals and pick a realistic bedtime/wake time. Week 2. Land the plane. Add the 90-minute wind down, starting with just 2 steps, then layer more. Week 3. Tune the room. Cooler, darker, quieter. Safer pads. Better pillow support. Week 4. Timing tweaks. Earlier dinner, noon caffeine cutoff, daytime fluids, lighter evenings. Sunday question. What helped most? What got in the way? Keep what helps. Change one thing that didn't. 10. When life interrupts travel, seasons, and stress, you don't need perfection. You need a way home. Travel. Maintain a wake time close to your usual schedule. Get morning light at your destination. Take a walk after arrival. If you must nap, keep it short and early. Hydrate during the day and lighten your dinner. Season changes. Dark winters, brighter mornings, both indoors and outdoors when possible. Hot summers, cooler room, lighter bedding, earlier dinners, a cool shower before bed. Stressful weeks. Shrink the routine to essentials. Dim lights, a warm shower, 5 minutes of slow breathing, and a top 3 note. Even a tiny ritual signals safety. Set a 30-minute timer and play a calming audiobook. 11. Caregivers and couples. Help each other sleep if you share a room. Agree on a rhythm together. Couples. Pick a common lights down time. If one reads later, use a warm, low lamp or read in a chair. Then slip into bed quietly. Earplugs and eye mask preserve peace. Caregivers. Your rest matters. Trade one evening a week with family or friends for an earlier bedtime, or take a short afternoon rest window. Prepare night supplies, medications, water, a warm throw, and checklist to ease midnight moments. Story: Rosa in San Diego cared for her husband with Parkinson's. Setting out water, placing a nightlight on the floor, and setting a 2 a.m. medication alarm to silent vibration cut her nighttime stress in half. 12. Gentle movement and breath that set up better sleep story. Gloria in Seattle felt keyed up at night. A 6-minute routine transformed her evenings. Mini sequence. Seated ankle pumps X10 each side. Shoulder rolls X10. Calf stretch against a wall. 20 seconds each side. Seated hamstring stretch. 20 seconds each side. Hands on belly. Inhale 4, exhale 6 for 10 slow breaths. Finisher. Whisper. This day is complete. Your nervous system listens to repetition. 13. A simple if this then that night guide. If you're not sleepy at bedtime, read or listen to calm audio in dim light for 15 minutes. Then try again. If you wake at 2 to 3 a.m., breathe for 6 for 2 minutes. If still awake after 20 minutes, step out, sit quietly, return when sleepy. If pain wakes you, pre-dose per your plan 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Use a heat pack and supportive pillow positioning. If worry wakes you, write one sentence. Tomorrow I will handle ___ at 10 a.m. Close the notebook. Exhale slowly. If you feel unsafe in the dark, nightlight on the floor. Clear walking pads and have slippers ready. 14. Gentle myths versus truths myth. I must get 8 hours or it's ruined. Truth. Aim for a regular window, 7 to 9 hours in bed, and steady timing, quality, and rhythm matter most. Myth. Napping is bad. Truth. Short, early naps can help. Keep them 20 to 30 minutes. Before 3 p.m. Myth. Wine is the best sleep aid. Truth. Alcohol fragments deep, restorative sleep. Calmer nights come from routine, proper timing, and mindful breathing. Myth. If I wake at 3 a.m., the night is lost. Truth. A calm reset, breathing, brief reading, back to bed when sleepy, can still deliver a good morning. Main content. 15. The tiny sleep diary that works. Spend 60 seconds each morning. Right. Bedtime/wake time. How long to fall asleep? Night awakenings. How many? How long? One thing that helped: light, dinner time, wind down step. Use it like a compass. Keep what helps. Change one thing that didn't. Bring this to your clinician if sleep troubles persist. 16. Safety medications. And when to ask for help. This video is educational and not intended as a medical diagnosis. Ask your clinician if you have loud snoring, gasping, breath pauses, severe leg discomfort, persistent pain, or sudden changes in mood or memory. Review medications that may cause stimulation at night or increase bathroom trips. A slight adjustment can make a big difference, and it's worth the conversation. Before you change anything, pause. Which part of tonight's plan felt like a relief? Was it finding your sleep window, the 90-minute wind down, the room tune-up, or simply knowing you're not bad at sleep? Your rhythm just needs a kinder routine? Please share in the comments which step you'll try first and how you hope better sleep will impact your day. If this felt helpful or hopeful, please like this video, subscribe for general health guidance each week, and share it with someone who deserves a calmer night and a brighter morning. You're not chasing perfection. You're building a rhythm that quietly adds good years to your life.